Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In this today's video, I'm going to show you how you can create trending or zoom out the video using AI. Okay, let's get into it guys. First of all, you can visit this website app.pixverse.ai and then we're going to sign up to this website. You can use your Google account to sign up. Then you're going to go to the generate video menu here and then just select the template. Okay, and then you can select Earth Zoom Challenge template and then you just need to upload your photo. Select this menu. Okay, and then I'm going to choose one of my images from my device. Wait guys, let me select the image for this video. Okay, for example, I'm going to choose this one. We can click on open. Okay, and just hold on. And for your information, after you sign up to the pixverse, you will get 60 credits for free. And after that, you need to upgrade your credits to create or to generate videos or photos using this AI. Okay, and now it's done. I have already uploaded my photo and then you can select create. As you can see, it needs 20 credits, so it will take 20 of my credits. And then I'm going to click on create and you just need to wait guys. Now my video is being generated. Okay, and it's done and I'm going to download it. Okay, and I'm just going to play it on my device because I think it's a little bit error when I play on the website. Okay, this is for the video. Okay, this is for the result. Okay guys, and that's how we can create trending or the zoom out the video. I hope this tutorial will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching and bye.